Alright, so we're back with another recap video, guys, and today we did end up taking a dub. It could have been bigger if we stuck to our original trade plan, but with that being said, let's get right into the video. So here's the trade I took. It was based off our three-step model that I use, which consists of a key level sweep, uh, inverse confluences, and then just a retest on that breaker structure level. So let's get right into that. Come into New York Open. We pretty much have a pretty strong movement up. We have these big candles up. Come into these hourly highs. We'll just cut this so it stays in place. Come into these hourly highs right here. Bang, 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 these resting hourly highs. And I also like these hourly lows down here. So I wasn't really short or long today. I was just gonna see what kind of happens. Um, so once we swept this hourly high up here, I was looking to see what we were forming after that. And after we formed, or after we swept that hourly high, we formed fair value gap right here, 1 minute, which got inverse right here after and broke structure right there. And ultimately, with this key sweep, respected confluences, the last thing we needed was that breakage structure. So we answered off that breakage structure retest right here with our stops at the high. And our original trade idea was to target 10 a.m. open down here, but over on ES, what kind of fudded me out was on the 5 minute, we failed to close beneath this low right here. We wicked and rejected off of it. So I kind of thought that the trade wasn't going to play out anymore. So that's why I did end up taking profit at that internal low right here. And after it wicked out, I realized that we had this DOL right here, its previous month high. And with a strong DOL like that, I figured with this, I thought it was a fake breakout and wasn't going to hold. And I thought that we were going to come up here, take out this previous month high before we came and went lower, because we had this PMH right here also lining up with these other two hourly highs like I showed you from before. So with those resting hourly highs and the DOL right here on ES, I honestly thought that the trade was invalid, and that's why I kind of fudded myself out of it and closed at that low for a 1-to-1. But it's okay because we still made a decent amount of money off of it, so I'm not really complaining about that. But that's the reason why I took profit so early, was just because of the conditions. They sort of fudded me out. But following this, we see that it fails to come back up here to take out these hourly highs and ends up just dropping to TP, our original TP down here, and ultimately just taking down these lows as well, as you can see. But more or less, that's really how I went into the trade today and what my thought process was. We executed well. We had a winning trade. It could have been bigger, but at this point, when we were trading 10 accounts, this small win turned into a big win because it's copied across 9 other accounts when I'm trading. So it could have been a much bigger win, don't get me wrong, but it is what it is. At this point, I'm not going to be mad about it. I'm happy I still won. It's better than having a losing day, that's for sure. But with that being said, that was the trade. It was just a 1-to-1, nothing too crazy. And if you guys have any questions about how I trade, you could ask them in the Discord or leave them down in the comments below. Discord is completely free, like I said in the last video. I do offer mentorships if you do need it, but everything I lay out in there should pretty much set you to become profitable on your own. But for those who need that extra help, I do offer it. So, hope you guys enjoyed it. Like and subscribe, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.